Now I'm going to talk about context window and memory. So what is the context window? Context window in large language model is the maximum number of the token. Maximum number of the token means you have words, character or subwords. Okay. So in large language model, the maximum number of the token the model can process and remember at the one time, acting as its immediate working memory for both input prompts and output prompts. It determines how much information, such as conversational history, documents, or code, the model can handle in a single request. Model LLM have evolved from supporting a few thousand tokens to over 1 million, enabling the processing of extensive in context information. Okay. So it will measure in tokens, not just word. A token is roughly 3 by 4 of a word, meaning a 100k token window is around 75k words. Okay, so here like you already know about the ChatGPT, Cloudy or Gemini. Okay, so GPT-4 model. Okay, GPT-4 it has 32,000 tokens, and Cloudy has 2 lakhs token, and Gemini 1.5 Pro has up to 20 lakhs token. So larger context window allow for analyzing massive documents or entire code bases in one go. Although this can increase the processing time and cost. Okay guys, so this is ChatGPT. Okay, I am going to give some prompt here. Okay, this one. Remember this number 9876541 and do not forget it. Just say okay. 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 It is saying okay. So after this, I am going to do some random chatting. Okay. Like give me love story. Give me love story. I ask give me love story of poor man. Okay. So I am going just sending here random stuff. I'm asking random thing like what is what is electricity? Where is Europe? Okay. Where is UK? What is what is the population of China? Okay, so I'm going to ask some random stuff questions. Okay, so we know about that it will remember or not this question. Okay, remember this number. Do not forget it. Just say okay. After waiting 2 to 3 minutes, okay, I'm going to ask again. Okay, I'm going to ask what was the number I asked you to remember. Okay, it is said that I don't know. Here you can see it is said that I don't know. Okay, so I said that ChatGPT that remember this number. Okay, but model forget. So model did not forget because of it is stupid. Model forget this number because of context window exceed the limit. Its limit. Now we are going to talk about context window limit. Context window limit. Okay, so every large language model has a fixed context window. The context window is the maximum amount of the text the model can see at one time. Maximum amount of text the model can see at one time. This includes system message, user message, and previous conversation history. Okay. If the input become longer than the context window, The model cannot see everything. Okay, if the input become longer than the context window, the model cannot see everything. Some of the text is simply ignored. Okay, if the input become longer than the context window, okay, if the input become longer than the context window, model cannot see everything. Okay, some of the text is simply ignored. So when you are give a very long document and ask for summary, the model may only summarize the part that fits inside the context window. This is not a bug, this is the hard architectural limit. Okay, the model is not reading the full document, it is only reading what fits in the context window. The model is not reading the whole document, or it is only reading what fit in its context window. Now we are going to talk about truncation problem. In long conversation, older messages are automatically removed from the context. In longer conversation, older messages are automatically removed from the context. This process is called a truncation. The model does not have permanent memory. It only know what is currently inside the context window. Okay. When the conversation become top long, the system drop older message to make space for new one. Okay. When the conversation become top long, the system drop older message to make space for the new one. As a result, the model may forget thing you told it earlier. Okay. When users say the model forget what I told it before. Okay, when users say the model forget what I told it before, most of the time the real reason is truncation. Now we are going to talk about sliding window memory. Most chat system, most chat system use something called sliding window memory. This means the system keeps only most recent and tokens or messages. The system keeps only the most recent and tokens or messages. As new message come in, older message are pushed out. Okay, think of like moving window. The window slides forward as the conversation grows. Anything outside the window is no longer visible to the model. Old message dropped, recent message kept, and new message added. Okay, by model forget, model do not truly remember. They only appear to remember because past messages are included in the context. Model do not truly remember. They only appear to remember because past messages are included in the context. When those messages are removed, the memory is gone. Okay, there is no long-term memory unless we explicitly build it. So in real production system, we solve these problem with database, vector store, retrieve augmentation generation, and extreme and external memory system. Long Long-term memory is not built into LLM. Engineer must design memory outside the model. Okay. So context window limit what the model can see. Okay. Context window limit what the model can see, and truncation remove old message. Okay, and sliding window keeps only recent history, and real memory requires external system like RAG.